Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix an Amazon Fire TV when it's frozen and not responding. If your camera or your screen is stuck, app won't open, or the remote isn't working, don't worry, the steps are easy and only takes a few minutes. First, grab your Fire TV remote, press and hold the select button and play or pause button at the same time for the 5 seconds. The Fire TV should show restart automatically. This fixes the most frozen screen problem. If the screen is still frozen, unplug the Fire TV from the power source. Wait 30 seconds. Now plug it back in and wait and turn the TV on. This gives the system a fresh restart. If your remote is not working, you can use your iPhone. Open the Amazon Fire TV app from the App Store. Connect it to the same Wi-Fi as your Fire TV. Use the app as a remote to control the screen. Once the Fire TV is working again, go to the settings, tap application, then manage installed application. Select the app that keeps freezing, tap force stop, then clear cache. You can also go to settings, then my Fire TV and tap about, select check for update. Updating the system helps preventing freezing in the future. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.